Hello guys, so this video will show you how to change the speaker for HP Pavilion 15. It's a Pavilion Gaming 15 Ryzen 5 GTX 1650 if I'm not mistaken. So first you have to check your software and hardware first. Open HP hardware diagnostic, run as administrative, and then okay, so here click see system specification system. So before you buy a new speaker, you have to check what's the version. Like mine is the HP Pavilion Gaming 15 EC1XXX. My one is EC1. Some they have other version. I bought it from AliExpress. Actually, if you buy from China, you get, I think I bought it with 25 ringgit. If you buy from Malaysia direct from local store, maybe it's about 80 ringgit above. Okay, this is how it looks like. So this laptop I have used around 5 years, I think, around 5 to 6 years. And then the speaker have the problem like
I've got the looms there, stereos down there, I've got the vents fitted again. So let's get this plugged in and see if we can get it to work. Right, as you can see, this one's for that display. These ones were plugged into the back of the original stereo.
So actually it's like a buzzing, or I don't know what's the sound. I think the speaker is spoiled. So let's see how to change the speaker. So actually if you want to check what is the laptop, what's the system name, just flip it over and then you can see here. Can you see clearly? Okay, 15 EC1036X, and you have other code here. Okay, so you can just check here before you buy the speaker. So before you just check everything here, and then you can see you have 4 long screw and 1, 2, 3 short screw. So in case you don't want to mix up all the screw, you can just do it like me. Put a tape here and then write what's the screw, where's the part. Okay, stick it over. And just be careful, you see how small or tiny this screw. Okay, and we have another 2 here. Just be careful, don't lose it. Okay, so 4 top and 3 bottom. Done with the screw, so I have to open up the cover now. For me, this laptop is super tough if you want to open up the cover, so I will just prepare a card, just any card you like. Okay, plastic lah, don't use metal. And find gaps. If you closely, I opened it before and I still can see the small gap here. Try to put your finger, your nails inside, and then put your card to open up. Okay, just like this, enter the gap and then you just twist a little bit, don't damage the side. Okay. And then you can see the gap here also. Here. Okay. Okay. And you see a small gap here also, and then you open here, and then you just open the whole cover. Right. So this is the cover. And here you have battery, fan, hard disk, the thermal cooling system, SSD, your RAM. Can open up here. I have 2 RAM here, SSD card, and then Wi-Fi module. This is the battery power socket. Just make sure you pull it out so that you don't shock or damage your other component. Let's pull this. Okay, let's pull out. Then this is the speaker I bought. Okay, and I want to change the speaker here. Okay, this is the speaker. See, it's exactly the same. So for fan, I have screw here, the socket, 2 screw, 3, 4, 5, and the socket for the right fan. This one, as you can see, this is the speaker socket. This is the speaker socket. See this gun shape. Okay, and this gun shape and the socket. Okay, just unplug everything. So to avoid anything wrong, just remember the color. Blue color to the left, blue color to the left. Okay, and then what else? Remember how you put it back once you take it out, and then how you put it back. For someone like me, I'm not a professional laptop repairman, and I just repair for myself, like for fun, you know. So follow the step, and then you screw, make the name, and then you just make everything tidy up. Then when you take out the fan, you can actually just clean up lah. See, so many dust here. Just clean your fan with a brush and the blower. Okay, don't use water or anything. Here I use the tape. You know, see, so many dust. Just careful, don't touch other component. Okay, clean. Now is the thermal. This thing, you have 4 screw here, another 4 screw here, and under it we know like there is a processor, CPU and GPU here. Okay, so this Wi-Fi module, first I just remove lah, since it actually disturbing while we changing the speaker. So remember, here we have the number. If you can see, okay, 2 and 1, right? And then you can see 2 and 1. Just follow 1 1 2 2. So you remember, don't mix up. And this one you just pull out like this. Just pull out. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, now this is the thermal I don't know what to call it, but it just transfer the heat out, transfer the heat from GPU and CPU out. Here you maybe, I think you can clean here lah, just clean. You can see some bugs, you know, flies, some dust here, or your hair. And then this is, I don't know which one is a CPU or GPU. Okay, and then speaker is here. Okay, yeah, yes. We no need to remove the motherboard or anything else. Okay, speaker is here. Speaker is here. Now we change the speaker. So here you have one screw, and just remember how you take it out, and then later how you put it back lah. Okay, these two remove and then try to take out. If not, we check where is the other screw. So if you can see, this is the old one. This one is still okay. The left one, the right one is damaged. That's why we heard the sounds now. And then yeah, this is the, I don't know, China set. I don't know who manufactured this. This is misaligned, you see. They didn't make it properly. Here, this line. They should fit perfectly. And then the hole here, you see, it's just slightly to the right. And you thought this is no problem. No, this is a big problem. You totally cannot fit this in. See? Okay. This metal just hit the left just now. Here. Since it not fitting, they are not making properly. So after you change the new speaker, everything is done, and then you just reverse the video and then you put it back, all the other components. And you can see this one actually coming up a bit because this is a very bad manufacturing lah. I don't know how's inside. Later we have to test, only we know, because originally we can see this is straight here, and then the hole, if you still remember this now, see this hole is at the middle, and this one, see the hole is slightly going to left. I have put back all the component and disconnect the power source. We'll test how's the speaker work. Okay, so I reboot the computer. The left.
它的屏幕那么大的同时还可以做到如此轻薄，这个时候一定会有人说，对，同组同嘞，哪里同意？那么我们同可以这样再side by side放住，看到没有？几乎不相上下，身为一个2.2mm 打开的情况呢，只有4.35mm。其实我之前就很想换成电器来用，我有一个顾虑，就是我很怕我的手机不小心跌下去就带嘎联系。可是这一次呢，它就正步这步来去加强，我觉得这个法才有幸福去用它。这一次呢，它的外屏是用上了巨细玻璃，比普通玻璃是以钢制钢，内屏呢就是不一样的属性，倒转过来易容克刚，用上了纳米级氧化铝涂层均瓦灰。
Yeah, the sound quality is not as good as the original one, but at least it works, right? 27 ringgit, free delivery speaker is changed.
奖励都给翻台回去，背盖又用住了航天特，我还航天特种兵，要妹翻台啊！我手上的这个是树皮的，是褐色树皮纹配上下。
Nothing is affected lah. CPU is running, memory, RAM is running, hard disk is running, C, Wi-Fi. Yeah, this one I use Wi-Fi. Okay, everything is good. Alright, and the design of the motherboard, everything is different, and so for the speaker also different. So make sure you check your hardware first before you change. Alright, that's all. Anything you can just ask or comment below lah. Alright, bye bye.